If you are getting inquiries, lead messages, but still your bank account is empty, this video is for you. In this video, we're not gonna talk about service level mistake like wrong targeting, wrong button. In this video, we're gonna talk about these 9 mistake, those mistake who could turn your ad spend into revenue or trash. So let's start with mistake number one. And mistake number one we have is obsession with leads. Most businesses obsessed with leads. They think they just need more leads, and they think we need 100 leads in 10 days. They don't track revenue, they don't track ROI, return on ad spend, and customer client acquisition cost. They don't track those matrices. They don't track the buyer journey and how much traffic is dropping from stage number 1, stage number 2, stage number 3. More leads is not a solution. You need better leads. You need to track your revenue, all your cycles, customer journey. And the mistake number two most businesses made is they don't review their monthly report each month. They just think that they just calculate if cost of lead is dropping, or if quality of leads, or if uh, quantity of lead is dropping or not. They don't calculate business review. They don't calculate their terms. They don't calculate how much money they are making, how much they are spending, how much money they are spending to acquiring this niche customer and this niche customer. If they have different services, different products, how much money they are investing to acquire a customer. They don't track lifetime value. They don't track average order value. So this is the biggest business mistake. And then number three mistake we have is zero follow-up system. Most people have don't any follow-up system. They just if they get any leads, they just call the leads in uh, within 1 or 2 days. And then if the lead say, I have this objection, I will talk to my spouse, I want to talk to my dog, my friend, I have money problem, I have this problem, they just call the leads back within 2 days, 3 days. Then they do another follow-up after 7 days, then 14 days, then 1 month. And thus they lose the leads, they lose the prospects. And they don't retarget those leads. They don't send them email automation, email workflow, video sale letter. I am just trying to say they don't have a proper system to convert those user into high paying clients. So if you are getting leads, you must call your leads within 5 minutes, and after 1 day you must send them emails. And even if you are getting hot leads, even if you think the lead is gonna close with you within 1 or 2 days, you must show your ads. You must retargeting the same prospect and show them another offer ads, another guarantee ads, client testimonials. And the number four mistake we have is emotional decision. Most people take decision very fast. They hire prospect. If they are not getting result from an agency within 10 days, 15 month, 10 days, 15, 20 days, they just fire the agency. They change their funnel so fast. They change their ads creative. They change their offer. They don't spend their time on tracking the numbers. They don't understand the matrices. They don't understand audience pain point, user weaknesses. They just make decision. They need just quick result. They don't analyze. They don't understand the market. And the number fifth mistake we see most businesses do is that most founder trap into the loop where they just try to do everything themselves. They just run their ads, create their funnel, they hire clients, they do some finance. And I believe, and so far I think the business owner has only one task: how to generate more revenue. Business owner must focus on their time to create more offer, and the system, and how they are acquiring customer and how they can acquire customer the better way. Must spend their time on marketing, creating offers, creating guarantees and sale funnels. But most business owners spend their time on those tasks who don't generate revenue. And the number six mistake we have is comparing with big brands. Most brands compare themselves to the businesses. If you are running ads and you're not getting result within 1 week, 2 week, and they just expect our ad has fatigue, our ad engagement is very low, we are not getting enough impression in Google ads or Meta ads. That's because your competitor are running ads for years. they have been running ads for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So you can't just compete with them within 1 or 2 months. You need more time, you need better engagement, you need better CTR, better ad quality. You need some time, patience, so you could compete with audience. They are in the market for last 10 years. They know the market, audience pain point, their weaknesses. They know how, what offers convert them, what guarantees convert them. So you can just compete with your competitor. Don't try to compete them, just follow the process, just trust the process. And the number 7 mistake we see is most people hire cheap talent and they expect senior level result. If you are making money, if you are running multi-million dollar business, and I would suggest you to hire one digital marketer, and hire one digital marketer and give them a decent salary. Don't hire 2 3 4 digital marketer and give them some different task, that meta ads to one digital marketer, Google ads to one digital marketer, and copywriting. Just hire one decent and good talents, and one talent is better than 4 people. And I have seen most businesses, I have personally observed that I have hired some people who done their task, done their 12 and 2 days task within 1 hour or 2 hours. Then they chill and entertain themselves to the rest of the day. So hire people who know the market, who know the business. They just deliver the task, and don't just judge people, and don't track your employees time, what their employees is doing in 5 to 6 p.m. and 6 to 7 p.m. Track their work, what kind of work and value they are giving to you. And the number 8 mistake I see most businesses I have seen hide their data, hide their numbers to their marketing team. If you are not telling your marketing team how much you are making money, you're not gonna scale your campaign, your ads. You must tell your marketing. If you are spending $50 and acquiring a new customer, and you are generating $500, so it's a clean 10x ROAS, return on ad spend is 10x. So you must tell your audience. And if you are not telling your audience, I have a question: how are they running those maximize conversion, or those maximize ROI campaign, if they don't know those numbers? So tell your audience, tell your employees, your marketing team, how much you are making, lifetime value, your customer average order value, how much you are making, all those number, profit margin, net profit. And the number 9 mistake I have seen so far, most businesses does is that they panic when performance drop. And recently we have another update back in 2025, and the update was Andromedia in meta ads. And also I have noticed many ads, many our businesses ads performance drop, more than 1x, 2x, 3x. Our ROAS drop from 6 7 to 4 3x, 2x. So this kind of things happen sometime. The audiences, those targeting shifts. And don't just panic, and don't just change your ad creative. Don't just go rush your offer. Don't change your offer, guarantee and funnel. Wait some time and understand the matrices, understand your CTR, your CPM, your conversion rate, your leads quality, and everything. First understand and analyze and do some analysis, then make a decision. So these are the 9 mistake I have seen so far most businesses done, and they do this 9 mistake, and these mistake are killing your revenue. So don't just rush for more leads, and do your monthly revenue. Create your follow-up system, and don't make decisions so fast. Don't just try to do everything yourself. Don't compare yourself with big brands. And don't hide your numbers, your revenue, your matrices to your employees, your marketing team, and don't panic so fast. And if you want my book, my free pipeline power book, you can just click the link in my bio and description and get free pipeline power book today.